Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to convert currency on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to convert from one currency to the other, like you want to convert pounds to euro or you want to convert pounds to dollar or vice versa, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to convert currency on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the calculator app on your iPhone. So search through and find the calculator app. You can also go to the help library and search for calculator. Now, once you open the calculator app, this is what you're going to see. Go ahead and click on the calculator icon at the bottom left. Then you should see different options here, including basic, scientific, math, notes, and convert. So go ahead and turn on convert. Once that is enabled, then you should see this feature comes up. Then come here and select the currency you want to convert from. So if you want to convert from pounds, go ahead and type pounds. So you have British pounds, Egyptian pounds, and other pounds available. So here you're going to use the British pounds. So search for pounds. Then you want to convert to USD. Click on this and tap USD. Then select that. Then how many pounds you want to convert? So let's say you want to convert 250 pounds. Then you're going to see the equivalent in USD. Let's not say you want to convert USD to pounds. Just come here, click on this. Then you want to search for USD. Like this. Then here, scroll down until you get to USD or search for USD. So if you cannot select it, just go back. And then here, click on USD or select another currency. So you can easily select USD here. Then here, click on this search button and then select pounds. Now, if you convert to 50 USD to pounds, this is what you're going to have. So that is basically how to convert currency in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.